Yo, what is up people? My name is Tyler Potts and welcome to a new video, day number 4 of the 100 days of code video. Today we're going to be doing rock, paper, scissors, as in the game rock, paper, scissors. We're going to be doing it so you first in the AI, a bot which will just randomly pick rock, paper or scissors, then it would compare them, and if it's rock versus scissors, so if it was rock wins, scissors versus paper, scissors wins, paper versus rock, paper wins. Secondly, we're going to be doing, I'm not going to be going over, we're going to be doing JavaScript only. I'm not going to be going over the HTML and CSS again. I'll quickly briefly show you it and explain little bits if there's any bits I think you need to know, but otherwise I'm not going to be doing that again. If you want me to do tutorials on HTML and CSS, if any beginners want to get back into that or get into that, I will do that as a separate series and add that in. And let's get into the code.
Hello guys, welcome to the code section of this video. So right now, this is the base of it. Again, I'm not going to go over it too much, I just want to quick go. It's basically similar to everything else. I have my assets, CSS, Sass files. Where's my JavaScript? I had a JavaScript. Oh, it was empty. So I pulled this from a Git because I created this folder when I was on a different computer. So we have JS, Sass, which then compiles into the CSS, into main.min. And then we have some images for this one, which we haven't done yet. We haven't really added images in. They're going to be background images again. I've already got this set up. So for now, actually, I just want to quickly show you the Sass. So obviously, we had a thing called game, a class called game. Again, we're using the Flexbox. It is my best friend. It's so simple, especially for Chrome engine when I don't have to worry about IE or any of the other browsers because it just works flawlessly for these tutorials. If you want me to do some like compatibility tests, like which browser it would work, if you want me to do stuff which works with every browser, let me know. But for now, I think IE is kind of irrelevant, and Flexbox pretty much works in every other browser. Again, we've got a few hover effects. You'll see all this, and then we're going to be using background images for the actual images, and that is really it. So I'll show you what that looks like. This code will be on GitHub if you do want to go see it. The link will be in the description. It's actually up here right now, and as you see, this is it right here. This is basically it. So you've got the 3 little rock, paper, scissors buttons. So this would be rock, this would be paper, and this is scissors. And basically, when it comes to it, I will hit, let's say I will choose rock, it will select this one in, and then it will spin. It will do, I don't know if it will do any animations or anything, but it will put my card up here. I'm hoping to put my card up here. And then over here we will do the enemy's card, what they have chosen, but we won't reveal it straight away. I'm hoping to get like a little question mark there, and then then it's going to count. I don't know if we can. This sounds like a lot for just a simple rock, paper, scissors, but maybe a countdown which goes 3, 2, 1. It'll reveal them both, and bam, we'll see who wins. Okay, so let's get straight into that. So we've got this by the way, this battle, so let's split this out. So the battle bit will be where we do the battle, and that should be an ID of battle, because I don't actually style that, I don't think, do I? Oh, I do, oh, go back, undo, my bad. ID of battle, battle, so there's like the battle zone, a little area we'll do battles in. And then these are class of options. Oh, I got itch my ear, God. And we actually have to add a class, so we're going to actually do a bit of CSS quickly because I forgot to add a class of and.isSelect or selected, and we're going to say background color is equal to. Do we want to select it with a background color? Do we want to select it with border? Will be 3 pixels solid, and we're going to use a full-on thick, and let's quickly add this to this. So we'll say rock was selected. Great. I don't know if that hasn't done anything. I did spell selected right. Selected, and what do I say? Border 3 pixels solid, 5252. What if we do 000? And I add this on option, right? And that is on an option selected. Oh, Tyler, you forgot to hit watch Sass. We need to compile our Sass. My bad. Boom, so there we go. So that is selected. That is when we actually hit select, click it. Okay, nice. So we've got a good little foundation here. This is looking good. Let's start with the JavaScript now. As in here, we're going to call this main.js as usual. I think, yep, I've got a reference to this asset slash JavaScript slash. What? Why'd you do that to me? Why? Why I order? JavaScript. So let's just quickly console.log. I work. This is just something I do sometimes. I haven't done any other tools because I've tested it previously, but I haven't tested this one because, hey, I work, because I didn't. It's kind of responsive, this is, until you get to that point and it just becomes broken. But again, this isn't a responsive tutorial. If you want that, you should. Again, it's just HTML and CSS, so if you know how to do it in HTML and CSS, then you should know how to do it here. But if you do want a tutorial on that, I can do that. So the first thing we need to do is be able to select one of these. And to do that, we're going to get, let's have a look. So we've got options, the battle, rock, paper, scissors. So we need to be able to select. So we're going to create a let options equal document.get element by class name, and they're going to be called option because that's the class of all of those. And now we can go for let I equals 0. I is less than options.length I plus plus. We'll put this into a function in a minute. I'm just doing some testing. And now, so if you don't know what for loop is, it iterates through, it like runs whatever's in between these brackets here, as long as the conditions in here are still able to run. So right here it says we're setting I equal to 0, and then if I is less than options.length, so the array of the length of this array, and then every time that runs, if that is true, it will come through. It'll go I plus plus, so it'll increment the I, and then it'll run anything in these codes. So let's go. So let's do let option equal options. Oh wait, no, what am I doing? Option equal options I. So this again is being incremented. So this is the same value as it starts from 0. This is basically the same value as this array, whichever item in the array we want. So now if we just log option, and someone's thanking me for the tutorial. Look at that. Boom. So we've got rock, paper, and scissors. So they all get done. That will get cool. So now if we go option.add event listener, click function, boom. Oh yeah. So now let's say this dot class list dot add selected. Boom. Oh yeah, they all get selected, although we don't want to be able to select multiple. So we actually want to be able to, so to be fair, as soon as we select one, I'm going to disable the others, and I'm going to make this one, because we're not going to do like a submit button like go, it's just whichever one you select is ready to go, and then it'll tell you. And we might do a score at the end to show you what score you've got, so it'll be like saved in local storage. That's a cool idea. We could do a local storage save system. So this.classList.add selected. So now if we refresh and then we go, and then this.add selected, and now we can't need to, so this is awkward because now we need to loop through it again essentially to disable the other two. Or we can call a function called disable. Oh god, I added the capital. People hate me when I do that. Disable options. And now if we go, we're literally gonna, it's gonna be a function disable options. It's such a pointless function. We could do it in other ways, but we're gonna loop through them again, and we're gonna say we don't need an event list, and we're just gonna say if option.classList.contains or we'll go say does not contain, but we'll sort that in a second. Contains selected option. Oh god, yeah, we do need. Oh no, it's just option dot disabled. Oh, because I created a thing called disabled is equal to true. It's like it messed me up. Oh. So if we select that, they should be disabled, but they're not. Wait, we're going to add a class called disabled because I want to do something here. So dot class list dot add disabled. So if which ones we loop through are not does not have the selected class, we're going to add a class called disabled, and in our SAS. Okay, guys, so we're going to create a class. We're going to add it in here called disabled, and this will say pointer offense equal to none. This doesn't work everywhere, but we're also going to do cursor is equal to well, not none. It would just be the normal. What is normal? Oh god, I've never done a normal. What is the normal scroller called? Default. Ah, wow, that was useful. I'm hoping that's it. Cause now, it's going to be something completely different. We're going to say we're also going to dim down the opacity to 0.7. Let's have a look. So if we come here, we go bang. So they did get disabled. Look at that. But that's not good enough. Let's go 0.5. If we hit rock, boom. So that one is now highlighted. Do you think it's good? I think that'll look good. So that stands out, looking like it's selected. Add some brightness to this. Oh god, I don't know if that's going to blind you guys. I don't know how it works when I'm recording, but I'm sorry. Needed to be brighter for me. So rock, paper, scissors. Bang. Main, so disable option. So now that's disabled. So now once we've selected that, it should now also, so with disabled option, now we're going to go run. Oh no, run battle. I don't know. Or how about we call the function battle? I like. Oh, that's balte. Battle. There we go. Now we're going to call battle, which is going to be the fun part. For now, we're just going to do everything through console log so we can see it working, and we can add the rest up later. I'm also going to put this function further down because I like having this one closer to where this is. Let's just go battle, and then this is going to say basically. So what we've got, rock, paper, or scissors. So we actually want a data value or data. What do you call it when you've picked one? Data, or what do you call it? You'd call it when you've choice. Data choice is equal to rock. Data choice is equal to paper. I'm getting paper. Data choice is equal to, oh, hello. Auto. Ah, look at that. It's like messing me up. I don't need auto stuff. I could do it manually. I'm a man. Scissors. Now we can say, so we actually want to pass through this, because this is the option we have, and we're going to say option, and now we're going to say log option. I just want to see if that fist is going to work. Boom. Oh, boom. There we go. Yeah, it passed it through. Good. So we say let choice equal option.dataset.choice, and now let's log choice, and let's see what that does. So now if we hit scissors, it selects scissors. Now if we refresh, if we hit paper, it hits paper, and if we hit rock, it hits rock. Look at that, smashing it. Okay, let's have a look. So what this here is a data set. If you do option.dataset, it gets all of the anything with data hyphen, anything with this, and then whatever prepends, that will be the name, and it adds it to this like sort of object or array or something, and then you will go dot choice because we called it choice here, and then whatever the value is in here is what this is equal to. It's really useful when you want to pass things through. Like you can, if you made this dynamically and you need to reference something somewhere else, but you couldn't pass through like specific things, and you can just add a data option, and then you've got your values here for this item. So data rock. And now if we, so we've got the choice. Now we need to get the AI's choice. So we're going to say let AI choice. I want to call it capital. I'm like AI choice is equal to rand. So we're going to create. Oh yeah, we need to also create an array quickly. We'll say let choices equal an array, and this will have rock, paper, scissors. Okay, we're going to go for let AI choice equal, and I've got copied a little bit of text to this. I'm going to explain this now. So math.floor returns the greatest integer less than or equal to its numeric argument. So basically this rounds it up or down to the nearest integer. So let's say if your number was 1.5, this is going to be equal to 2 because 1.5 is closer to 2 than it is to 1, and let's say if it was 1.4, it's going to be equal to 1 because it rounds it down. So it basically converts whatever this is, a float, which is anything after the dot is float, to a whole number. So that's what that does. And then math.random gets you a number between 0 and 1. So that would return something, let's say 0.5 or anything. It could be anything but after the 0, or it could be, I believe it can be 1. It's not exclusive of 1. Right here, we're going to times it by the max. So the max minus the min, which we're going to set up in a sec, plus 1 plus min. So for here, we're going to say max would be 2 and the minimum would be 0. And now I'm not sure how this is going to work, but let's go log AI choice. And now this should be, so now once we select paper, 0. So now let's see what 1, so it got 1. Come on, get 2 this time. 1, okay. I want to see it get 2 before we quit this. 2, yeah! And it can't get 3, I hope not. So basically, what's happening here, so this argument here, normally you don't have to do all this, you could just do times your max and then minus your min. Or plus your min. Yeah, you plus your min in, but that's exclusive of the max numbers. That means whatever you put in the max would be 1 lower than what it should be. Which isn't good. Oh, and now if we log choices and then we go in here and we press AI choice, this should now say, if we select scissors, it shows scissors, so it would have beat us because we did paper. Oh no. We go rock, it got scissors, we win. If we go scissors, it did scissors. Why is it always doing scissors? We have an error. Choices and then AI choice. Let's also log AI choice again. I feel like, did I change like 2, which is scissors, 2, which is scissors, did 0, which is rock. Look, it did something different, but it's constantly going for, yeah, rock, scissors. Why is it always wanting rock? Paper, there we go. It's really swaying towards that. Oh, if I keep clicking this one, look, there you go. It just, which we probably should stop as well, but right. So yeah. Anyway, now we have that down. So that actually gets our choice, the AI choice, which actually we need to go choices. Oh god. Essentially, that's what we want. But should we create a neater version? Let's quickly create a function for that because I just don't like how that's in there. We're going to say function return choice int. So we're saying we'll return an integer. And then we'll go like that. And then we'll say max and the min. And we're going to say return. So this is what it's going to return. And it's going to return this. But we're going to say max min min, and now in here we're going to say return. Oh, it's still really big, isn't it? Let's just call rand choice. So that's what that stands for. We know what it stands for. We're going to say rand, and we're going to say it's going to be between 2 and 0. And now let's make sure that's working and go log. Oh, what do you use local storage layer? Not right now. AI choice. God, we've spent so much time on just getting the choice. So it's scissors, paper, scissors, rock, scissors, paper, rock, paper, paper. Oh, we got paper freedoms in a row. But it is random, although it looks like it really sways towards scissors. Okay, guys, now it's time to decide who actually wins. So now we're going to go. We're going to create an if statement here, and we're just going to check if it's a tie. So we're going to say if choice is equal to AI choice, and then we're going to log. Oh, not local storage. God, we'll do you later, local storage. You really want to get in here, don't we? It's a draw. Oh. So that's what we'll log for that. Next up, we actually need to create. So we're going to create up here again. God, sorry. My bad, I need to burp. Now we're going to say win, or what are we going to call it? Is it say Wednesday? I think I've seen someone do this before. We're going to create a thing, and we're thing. Go say. So basically, right now we're going to go rack. God, what? I'll explain this after. Let me write it first because I'm getting twisted. So rock beats scissors. Paper beats rock, and scissors beats paper. So now, basically, what this is going to do. So now we're going to check if whichever one win rock if this is equal to. So if your choice was equal to rock and the AI chose scissors, then that means player wins, and then so on. So let me show you how this is going to work. So we're going to go in here and we're going to say if choice. So if the choice is equal to, and then we're going to say win state dot AI choice. This one means the AI wins, because basically what it's saying is if this choice is the same as what this one beats. Actually, let's do it the other way around, just because I want it to be player wins here. We'll say log player wins for now. So the way this works is basically, as you can tell, AI choice is if it's equal to what this is. So we're passing through the choice. So the choice of R, so if we click rock, that'd be equal to rock, which actually would be equal to this if it's near scissors. So basically it's saying if the AI chose scissors and what this returns is scissors, that means this is what our choice beats, which means the player win. Else, we're going to say console.log AI wins. So now let's return here. Let's click rock. It's a draw. AI wins. I don't know what that means. Oh, so this, because this isn't an else if, so let's turn this into an else if. It basically ran it twice. And now it says player wins because we picked. So if I do that, it's a draw. Player wins. AI wins. So yeah, so that is a different one. So now, if I hit rock, AI wins. I'm guessing AI picked paper, but now we need to log that to double check what actually. So we're going to log AI choice, and we're also going to log our choice, just to see what they actually were, so we can determine if this is working or not. So if we get rock, so scissors is what the AI chose, and we chose rock, and rock beats scissors, so the player wins. Boom, now let's try that again. Let's go for scissors. We chose paper, we chose scissors, they chose paper, so we win again. Come on, I want you to win, AI. Paper, it's a draw. Scissors, it's a draw. Rock, stop picking the same as me. You do it one more time. Scissors, rock, player wins. AI, you're really bad at this. Might have to make it smart. Just be like, he last picked rock, so let's pick rock. Maybe we can win. Paper, rock. AI wins. AI wins for once, guys. I'm so proud of you, AI. It's like you're like my baby now. So yeah, we can see what happens there. So now we need to actually display choices. So we want to display the choices, which will. You know what? I feel like in the battle scene, we need to choose what the enemy chose and then do it. We'll keep it simple for now because I don't want to overrun on what we're doing. But we'll keep it simple and then we'll do, if we have more time, we'll do it at the end. We'll make it style and night and add some animation to it. If not, we can do that in another video doing some animation. Maybe a part 2 to a rock, paper, scissors game. So let's go here. So we've got battle ID, which this will be where we will add the let battle equal doc. Oh wait, no, we can't do battle. Battle L. Just go battle element is equal to document dot get element by ID battle, and then down here we're gonna in display choices function display choices. We'll actually go pass through AI choice, and we'll also do our choice as well, just so we can just. I feel like this needs to go at the bottom, but we'll display the AI's choice. So the AI choice will go in here. So we need to actually create one of these, but in a different way. So let's bring this in. Oh, hello. Bring this in for reference. It's actually just a diff actually, so I don't know why I need it for reference, but we'll go. So now we're going to say let choice equal document dot create element diff, and then we're going to say choice dot class list dot add, and then we're going to we pass through choice and AI choice, and we're going to say it's going to be equal to AI choice. Oh wait, sorry, my bad. We need to actually pass the variable and not the actual string. And then we're also going to add the class of what we're going to say, AI choice or AI choice in there too, just so we can style it up in the CSS. So if we go here and we go to, where are we? Battle. We're gonna, in theory, we need to actually get these items too, just so I can center it. And we're gonna say center. And then we're going to go down here and we're going to go dot battle or dot, what did we say? It's dot AI choice is going to have all these over it, but without the pointer, but we'll change that in a second. Pointer will go like that. We don't need a hover state for this one because again we have no thing. And then we're going to also go in there, we're going to set these, so this is going to choose what image it is. And that, and now if it is equal to those, we should see the right one when we select it. Player wins. I don't feel choice has already been declared, of course. Yes, we know, I'm an idiot. Where is choices? Has it been? It's been declared in here, but where is it saying it's been declared? 12. Wow. Battle this. Oh, which is equal to this, which, oh, it's just, you're being a pain in my backside. We're going to say player, and then we're going to plater. Player and AI. I'm going to change this to, oh, this has already been declared. Because it's there. And that needs to be choice element. I still want to change this to player and AI. I just think that looks nicer there. AI and then AI choice, class list, LM. Oh, and we also need to go battle lm.append child choice lm. By the way, a lot of people already said they love it when I make mistakes because they notice them before I do, and I get that. I understand. I know what that's like. Rock, he picked Sissus. We win. We're going to create a restart button too. I'm going for Sissus. Oh, he went for Rock. They beat me. Paper. Paper, it's a draw. Ooh. Paper. Oh, it's a draw again. Okay. It's like... Why are you... Why do I feel like I need to like shift refresh to get to choose something different? I feel like I do. Oh my god. So weird. Oh wow, that's a bug. Who'd think won that? So if we sised it... Ooh. Alright, so... We also need to disable the... So we actually need to turn this off. So we're going to say... Okay, so we need to fix this bug where if I tap it multiple times, it draws multiple things and it calculates multiple times. So maybe once I've clicked it, this needs to be disabled too. But it needs to be disabled in a way that it still looks good. Where is that? There is an item here, pointer offense none. And now if we go to selected, pointer offense none. If I hit that, there we go. So we can't actually select it again. So that fixes it in Chrome. Again, we can look for compatibility issues and that and fix those enough time if that's what you guys want. So player wins that round. Let's refresh. AI wins that round. AI wins again. No, it's 2-1. Oh, it's a draw. Still 2-1. Still 2-1. It's... Oh god, this guy is like a master at knowing what I'm picking and picking the same thing. It's 3-1. We're stopping. The AI is too good. Why were you losing so much earlier? Now you're beating me. It's insane. I also feel like flipping around the battle box. And it really I should name that the battle box to AI choice. And then in here putting a H3 which says AI choice. So when I hit that, oh, it's gone next to it. Of course it has. We need to go in here. We need to flex direction column and align items center. Right? Does that work? There we go. Oh, and we need to battle 50. Change this all to 10, and we're just gonna have everything at 10. Everything at 10. That makes 20, and that is a good number for me. That's the wrong thing. Is that, I think, border radius, yeah, I think so. Nope, still didn't add any padding to that whatsoever. What is it? That is the options, and that needs a margin of 10 pixels, 0 pixels. Why is the AI choice got so... Oh, 1 second. Still not working? No, you don't like me? I'm not having fun with you either, you know, buddy. 10. What have we got? So we've got H2 and H3 are equal to 10 padding. Let's just have a look. So that's that. That's that. And then you... Oh. 1 second. So now it looks right, and then when we go bam, there we go, AI choice. And then we also have to AI win. So now maybe we should highlight the colour of this green, who wins. Should we? Yeah, let's do it that way. That's how we're going to choose who wins. And we select the hands or anything. Whoever wins the selected one gets either. So let's go here where it says selected. I'm going to say, oh, so if we go and selected and dot winner, just say background color is equal to, oh, what are we going for? A 2-4 E4 8-4? No, it's too bright. What about an A4? That's nice. I think we used that color, the exact same color, literally earlier. And loser be equal to the good old AF1E2D. Basically, we're gonna, so we passed through the option, didn't we? So this, and so if player wins, go option dot add, no dot class list dot add winner, and if the AI wins, we're gonna say loser. And if it's a draw, what? Okay, draw, and then for draw. Dot draw, oh, and dot draw, we're going to say background color. And what color is a good draw color? It needs to be a neutral color, right? So if we went for neutral color, go bright yellow. It's like amber, red, and green, right? Go. So I'm going to say, hey, we won. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my god. Sorry. So we won. Now I want to say, oh, so it was a draw. Enough for draw. Enough for draw. This is tedious. Oh, we're winning too much. You know what? This AI never goes for scissors, does it? Doesn't want to go for scissors. I'm going to go. Oh my god. Pick something what can beat me, you fool. Oh, it finally won. And we went red. Okay, so that playtesting this game is freaking pain in my butt. So random. See, we could add a level incrementer, which means we could add. How would a level incrementer actually work? I thought of that in my head, said it, and I just forgot that that wouldn't work so well unless we did a lot of extra work to it. Ooh. So now underneath AI choice, we need a reset button. So under here we'll go function reset, and so we're going to reset by again looping through options and remove, and we don't need that, we just need to hello cross back, and we're going to remove. We're going to remove selected, and what other ones do we have? We have selected. What else did we add on our adventure? Here's disabled, and winner, loser, and draw. We're going to say battle lm dot inner HTML is equal to h3 AI choice, because we're setting it back to what it was. Now let's add a reset button. Dot reset. Should I do? Oh, why don't I reset? And then we're going to say reset button. So it's there, but now let's hide it. Sass or class hide. I like adding class hide in case I need to reuse something will hide stuff. And I just add that to button dot hide display none. There you go. And then in here, once the battle has happened, I display choices. We've created so many functions, but we could have done this in less things. Display choices, and then in display choice, we're also going to go document.get element by ID reset dot class list dot remove hide, and we're also going to then at the same time dot add event listener, or we're going to add this in the global, I think, because this just add event listener called click with a function, and the function, oh hello, we just jumped out of there. Okay, let's bring this down. Let's bring this out because I don't want that in there, because else it will declare every time we, so every time we click it, it will then run multiple times. Where's the reset? We'll add this just before the reset. Oh, actually, we already created a function for it. What am I on about? Reset. So that should now work. So now if we go here, we smack that, we hit reset, it reset it. And now these are all, hey, reset, hey, hey. Although reset doesn't disappear again, so when we hit reset, we also need to go. We should have set this to a, come here, let's set you to a variable called let reset lm equal bam. So now we need to go here, we'll set it there, and we'll set it there. And then in here we can go. I just realised we set that way too much. Reset lm dot class list dot add hide. Okay, let's have a look how it works. Boom, we lost. Boom, we lost. Boom, we won. So now we want to create a global function called score, or yeah, let's score equals 0, and then we're going to say if let's create something called let storage equal window dot local storage, and then we'll say in here if did I complete? I was like, what have I done? Dot get item score. So if that exists, then say score is equal to, well, literally this. And we're gonna, how do we cut 2 int? Is it 2 int? So yeah, okay, return string. So if I set score to equal to score, and then we'll add a little score up here. P score is equal to span hashtag score. And then we'll say let score lm equal to document.get element by ID score, and we'll say score lm dot inner HTML is equal to score. Score 0. Should we have an AI score as well? So this is just wins. Yeah, let's do it. So score is equal to player score and AI score. Oh, and that's going to work. So this will be score and then AI. Oh, AI score. And go together. AI score element is equal to AI score dot inner HTML is equal to AI score. And I actually want to change how this looks. I want to go like that, and I want to go first this. So we'll put here, bam, bam, and now I want to go here, P, and this say player slash AI. 0 slash no, yeah, we've got to go up here and say let AI score equals 0, and then same thing, we're going to go copy that, paste that into there and say if AI score, go paste that there, AI score, and then that. So that's how we get items, by the way, from local storage. But because there isn't anything, it's like, oh, why do you P? God damn it, P. Let's go up here and go P text align center. There we go. So we've got player score. Oh, do we have to write score? God damn it. Oh, you know, I'm gonna write scores and then in brackets I'm gonna do player/AI. Yay, that works better than what we need it to do. So now we're gonna save source. So you can style this up however you want. Again, guys, I'm sorry, I'm not primarily focused on styling and stuff right now. More just focusing on the actual thing. And now where are we? So winner. So if it's a draw, nothing happens. It just stays the same. If we win, we're gonna go score plus, and then we're not going to remove AI score, and if we lose, we're going to say AI score plus, and then down here we're going to say storage.set item. And we're going to say AI score to AI score. So we save that, and we're going to score, and we can probably move. So we don't have to run it unless they actually do win. So bam. And that should always now stop drawing. So we won. So we have ooh whoops. So we gave the AI a score accidentally. That's fine, we can clear it. Say localStorage.clear. Now if we refresh, boom, set to 0. But we need to update the actual score text. So we're going to say score lm.innerHTML is equal to score, and is that AI score lm is equal to AI score. So we're going to go for rock strategic. Ah, we lost. I was about to say strategic. Ah, we won. Oh, we lost. This is not going well. Oh no. Okay, as soon as I add score, the AI becomes unbeatable again. You see that? It's trying to show me up. Come on, I will. It's going to be addictive. I'm going to be playing it. Oh my god, I haven't beaten the AI in a long time. Yes, 2 to 6. That's a win. That's a win from me. Wow, so that is our rock paper scissors game. I really enjoyed making this one. This was absolutely amazing.
Okay guys, that was rock paper scissors in JavaScript. There was a few things I thought was a bit iffy, some things we could have definitely improved on. There was a lot of code where I thought maybe I could do better, but I have quite a short time limit where I try to get it done within an hour, and then edit the video down a little just with anything which needs to come out, like me pausing for a minute to think and stuff like that, because you don't want to be sat there listening, just thinking with me, because I'm doing the thinking for you. That's the whole point. Again, these are not like, I don't write this code and then say yes that worked and then go back and rewrite. I write it on the fly. So as you see, it's what I do is what I do. So you get literally raw output from me. Whatever I write down is you're seeing I'm writing for the first time. Obviously the CSS and the JavaScript, just CSS and the HTML is already writ, as you can see. I don't do anything with that. I just add that in and then modify it as we go along. And then I kind of plan it out in my head, but that's as far as it goes from planning. Maybe in the future I'll start doing planning if you guys want me to do more like straight, quicker tutorials where we get straight through it as quick as possible. But if that's not something you fancy and you actually like seeing what my like raw footage, like raw output of my brain going into coding, then that is awesome. Otherwise, I hope you really enjoyed that video, because I really did. Day 4, we've only got 96 more to go. God, I'm going to be sad when this ends. But 96 more. Still 96 more to go, still a long time. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, hit that like button. If you want to see more, smash that subscribe button. And if you want to leave any feedback, or you have any questions, or you want to see me do something in the future, you want to add your own input to my stuff, you want to tell me something I did wrong, tell me something I didn't right, then put it all in the comments. Any feedback, constructive, negative, positive, it all helps out to develop what I am going to provide for you. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.